Hey guys, welcome back. I'm popping on today to do a layout to play along with Stretch the Sketch, where we get a 12 by 12 image and or sketch as it were. And I think this one's from Bella Boulevard, this sketch. And you do it in a different size. So I'm like, okay, I can do that. Now I'm playing with a kit that I purchased through Brianna Lepper, Brianna Nicole. She goes by two different handles. And I don't have a lot left. These are my pattern papers aside from, oh wait, I see, here's a piece. So I don't have a ton left, but I love this stuff and I want to keep playing with it. I do have a nice amount of embellishments left. So I definitely can do a layout's worth with these. I think they're awesome. Let me show you the sketch really quickly. So we've got a border and I don't have a big enough piece of paper to do a border. So I might come in with stitching. And then we have 4 pieces here that are then bordered again, a couple of frames, a title, journaling, etc. So very fun, very Bella. We do love all things Bella. So what I thought I would do, because I do like the squareness, I think I'm going to work in a 10 by 10. I like to use different sizes, so it's pretty teeter if you think about it, because, I'm just shrinking it down. No big deal. So I have a cute BB layout now. Oh, let me show you my photo. I've got this photo of my youngest. This was 2019, and she was all gussied up to go do something, and she sent me a selfie that she took from her car. So got that, and I'm using up this paper that I've had forever. It's for the Canon Selfie, and these are actually stickers, but I'm using them up because I have them and I need to use them. Now, I was thinking as I was going to see which one of my frames would work the best, because I was hoping, yep, it works perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and take my sticker and let's see, yikes. There we go. And now she's in a cute little frame. So I will trim that out and pick another frame and all that, because it went really well with the way the sketch wants to go. So I'm going to go ahead, I think, and do a nice thick stitch around this. I have gold thread in my machine right now, so that's what I'm going to use in the interest of being lazy. And I'm going to cut the pieces that we need for right here, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I did go ahead, and instead of sewing on the outline, I realized I wanted to bring in my stencil that came with this kit, and I created a border with my stencil and bubblegum ink by Pinkbrush. Now, you guys know I just have scraps, so I cut 3 scraps, like basically the ones that I could use that were the right size, because this was as big as I can get them. And in our inspiration piece, oh, they have 4. I don't know that I actually, no, I don't have 4 pieces that are big enough. Like this one I have, no, the 3 will do because I'm in a much smaller scale. Then I went ahead and used my handy dandy vintage tab punch, and I punched some tabs that I will go ahead and stick down. So I'm going to get these down. Now we do have a border that's supposed to go around these, and I'm thinking about using some stitching to do that. So I'm going to get working on that, and I'll be back in a minute. So I've gone ahead and used embroidery floss to stitch around my edges and added my little tabs in. So I'm happy with that. The photo placement is approximately where it is in our sketch. I added one more little cute frame because I just love them. Now I need to do my title somewhere over here, and a little like cluster here, and this cluster going down here, giving it a bit of a diagonal, and then I'll be done. So what do we have? We have puppies, and I have puppies. I've got these really beautiful little die cuts and some little gems in the color that is called Glacier. So I'm gonna rifle through, find a couple of things. Like I like this little love you. That might be cute right there. Do I want to do it? See, if I put a cluster piece, that's too matchy. It's like the same thing. So maybe I'll do that. Like up there. I want it slightly above where that tab would be showing. And I'll bring something down here. Ooh, I like that little picture frame, but the Love You works great. I just like everything. Adore You is great too, but it is almost too matchy again. Oh, the struggles, guys, the struggles. Oh, the little butterfly is cute, but we're not really using any of those colors. I'll have that on standby. Let's see. Awesome is great, but oh, maybe I can do Awesome Beauty for my title with these pieces. That's a really interesting idea. Little books, little gym shoes, which is very much her, but just not what she was doing right there. I think she was going to prom. Ooh, this little butterfly is great going on this angle. Okay, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing. I'm gonna keep finding. I'll be back in a jiffy. I've gotten a couple more little pieces on here. I like the way the colors are vibing. I'm kind of being fitful because I want to put something on these tabs, but I'm not going to. Not going to. I want to. Let me see. Maybe I am going to. I don't know. They're just... Am I going to? I love these pieces that read Happy Heart, but I was trying to keep a diagonal, guys. I can't help myself. I saw wordy bits. They're so cute. How do people not use everything in their collections? All right, well, that happened in the middle of me saying I wasn't going to, that I couldn't stop myself. Okay, super cute. I still have so many cute frames. I think they are stunning. I have that. Maybe, hold on. Maybe I should take this, or is it breaking it up too much? Nope, that gets to go back there. I just wanted to see if it wanted to kind of go over there. So Awesome Beauty is my title, but I have all these other wordy bits that have happened, which tends to be a me thing. I think I'm good with this. I do have my gems. I'm going to come in and make it more of an effort to go across and be on the diagonal. The only thing I'm thinking is maybe I'll go ahead and detail cut out this beautiful yellow flower right here to have a little something right here, and then I can bring the gems across just a little bit more. So I'm going to do that, get the gems on. I'll show you my finished layout. Oh, and y'all know that I will have links to the people who are playing along below as well. Okay, that's all for now. I will come back, show you the gems, and then still shots. All right, my friends, here is my 10 by 10 all finished up. Trying to get some of those gluey bits out of the way. So I do think that the gems, you know, like being repeated over and over on the diagonal did help the diagonal design kind of dealio. But that is what I have for you today. Yeah, links down below, and here come the still shots.